Aldehydes and ketones, which are carbonyl compounds. Aldehydes having functional group CHO, ketones having carbonyl group, that is CO functional group. And the reactions of these aldehydes and ketones which have specific names are called as named reactions. Aldehydes and ketones ज्या रिॲक्शन्स देतात त्यापैकी ज्या रिॲक्शन्सला नावं आहेत, स्पेसिफिक नेम्स आहेत, त्यांना आपण नेम्ड रिॲक्शन्स असं म्हणतो. कुठल्याही रिॲक्शनचे नावं हे दोन गोष्टीच्या आधारे जनरली देण्यात येतात. एक म्हणजे ज्या सायंटिस्टनं ह्या रिॲक्शनचा शोध लावला त्या सायंटिस्टच्या नावानं ती रिॲक्शन ओळखले जाते, किंवा दुसरी मेथड जी आहे ती त्या रिॲक्शनच्या प्रोडक्टच्या आधारे त्या रिॲक्शनचं नाव आपण देतो. मागच्या पिरियडमध्ये आपण 3 रिॲक्शन्स पाहिलेत, रिफॉर्मॅट्स्की रिॲक्शन, नॉव्हेंजल रिॲक्शन आणि पर्किन रिॲक्शन. ह्या तिन्ही रिॲक्शनची नावं सायंटिस्टच्या नावाच्या आधारे देण्यात आलेली आहेत. नाउ इन दिस लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस 2 more condensation reactions, but these reactions are named after their products. ह्या 2 रिॲक्शन ज्या पाहणार आहोत त्या रिॲक्शनमध्ये त्या रिॲक्शनचे जे नाव आहे त्या रिॲक्शनमध्ये आलेल्या प्रोडक्टच्या आधारे देण्यात आलेलं आहे. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द प्रोडक्ट ऑब्टेन इन दीज रिॲक्शन्स दे गॉट देअर नेम्स. The first condensation reaction that we are going to discuss is aldol condensation reaction, and the second one is benzoin condensation reaction. Now we will discuss these 2 reactions in detail. Before that, we will see once again condensation reaction. What is meaning of condensation reaction? A reaction in which 2 or more molecules combine to form large molecule with the simultaneous loss of a small molecule such as water or methanol is called as condensation reaction. ज्या रिॲक्शनमध्ये 2 मोठे कंपाऊंड्स कंबाईन होतात, ॲड होतात, त्यांच्यापासून एक मोठा मॉलिक्यूल तयार होतो, परंतु त्याच वेळेला वॉटर किंवा मिथेनॉल सारखे मॉलिक्यूल हे बाहेर पडतात, त्या रिॲक्शनला म्हणायचं कंडेन्सेशन टाईप ऑफ रिॲक्शन. नाउ विल सी how many reactions are given for your syllabus. Condensation, aldol condensation reaction, benzoin condensation reaction. These 2 reactions today we are going to discuss. Then Nowengel, Perkin, Manich and Reformatsky. Following 4 reactions already we had discussed. Now we will see first one, that is aldol condensation reaction. Aldehydes containing alpha hydrogen undergo self addition in the presence of a base to form product called aldol, that is beta hydroxyaldehydes. This reaction is called as aldol condensation reaction. Aldehydes containing alpha hydrogen or hydrogens, म्हणजे अल्डिहाइड मध्ये अल्फा हायड्रोजन असणे अत्यंत आवश्यक आहे. अल्फा हायड्रोजन असलेले अल्डिहाइड्स सेल्फ ॲडिशनमध्ये जातात किंवा कंडेन्सेशनमध्ये जातात इन द प्रेझेन्स ऑफ बेस लाईक NaOH or KOH to form the product. The name of product is beta hydroxyaldehyde and which is generally called as aldol, and therefore the name of reaction is aldol condensation reaction. This reaction is having ब्रॉड स्कोप. हे रिॲक्शन खूप महत्त्वाचे आहे. इट ऑकर बिटवीन, हे रिॲक्शन फक्त अल्डिहाइड्सच देतात असं नाही, सेम अल्डिहाइड्सच देतात असं नाही, तर 2 अल्डिहाइड्स ऑर डिफरंट अल्डिहाइड्स, आयडेंटिकल ऑर डिफरंट, जे 2 अल्डिहाइड सेल्फ ॲडिशनमध्ये जातात किंवा ॲडिशनमध्ये जाणारे अल्डिहाइड्सचे वेगवेगळे सुद्धा असू शकतात. 2 आयडेंटिकल ऑर डिफरंट अल्डिहाइड्स. Not only aldehydes gives this reaction, but ketones also gives, that is 2 identical or different ketones, and the third one is an aldehyde or a ketone. ह्या aldol condensation reaction मध्ये 2 सारखेच aldehydes वापरू शकता किंवा 2 वेगवेगळे aldehyde वापरू शकता, सारखेच कीटोन वापरू शकता किंवा वेगवेगळे कीटोन्स वापरू शकता, किंवा एक अल्डिहाइड आणि एक कीटोन सुद्धा आपण वापरू शकतो. Now here, when the condensation is between two different carbonyl compounds, it is called as crossed aldol condensation. ज्या कंडेन्सेशन रिॲक्शनमध्ये अल्डोल कंडेन्सेशन रिॲक्शनमध्ये जे आपण अल्डेट्स वापरतोय किंवा कीटोन वापरतोय ते जर वेगवेगळे असतील तर त्यांना म्हणायचं, त्या रिॲक्शनला म्हणायचं क्रॉस्ड अल्डोल कंडेन्सेशन रिॲक्शन. अदरवाइज इफ सिमिलर कंपाऊंड्स आर if we are using, it is called as simple aldol condensation reaction. Again, once again, what is alpha carbon, what is beta carbon? See here, this carbon which is attached to functional group, this is our functional group. Carbon attached to functional group is called as alpha carbon. Carbon attached to alpha is called as beta carbon. This is delta carbon. This is gamma carbon. Alpha, beta, gamma and delta. This is gamma, this is delta. These are different carbon atoms. That means in short we can say that carbon which is directly attached to functional group is alpha. Carbon attached to alpha is beta, then gamma and then delta. This is basic information. Now we'll see one example of aldol condensation reaction. In this reaction, acetaldehyde molecules which we are using here. Two acetaldehyde molecules undergo self-condensation reaction in the presence of base OH. In fact, we are using here NaOH, and there is formation of 3-hydroxybutanol, butanol, that is called as aldol. Beta hydroxyaldehydes or beta hydroxyketones are called as aldols. See here, what is an example? Two molecules of acetaldehyde combine with each other in the presence of dilute NaOH to form 3-hydroxybutanol. Now let's see what is mechanism here. Mechanism is very simple, which has following steps. First one, enolate ion formation. See here, there is base in the reaction, that is NaOH. Acetaldehyde, we are using two acetaldehyde molecules. Using first acetaldehyde molecule and base, there is formation of enolate ion. See here, this is base reacting with acetaldehyde, there is formation of enolate ion. Enolate ion formation is the first step in the aldol condensation reaction mechanism. See here, this is the first step, that is enolate ion formation is the first step in aldol condensation reaction. That enolate ion attacks the carbonyl carbon of another unionized aldehyde molecule. See here, this enolate ion reacts with carbonyl carbon to give such type of negatively charged oxygen. The negative oxygen in the product accepts proton. This is negatively charged oxygen containing compound we are forming here with the enolate ion, and second molecule of acetaldehyde here. The negative oxygen in the product accepts a proton to form from water to give aldol. Now in this step we are producing this ion which abstract hydrogen from water molecule. This water molecule donates proton, we can say, and there is formation of aldol, that is beta hydroxyaldehyde, that is called as aldol here. This is aldol. We can summarize mechanism like this. Mechanism of aldol reaction. In the first step, there is the formation of enolate ion. Enolate ion reacts with unionized acetaldehyde molecule, and the negatively charged oxygen is protonated with the help of water molecule, and there is formation of aldol here. These are three steps involved in the mechanism of aldol condensation reaction. You can use any one of mechanisms. दॅट इज आतापर्यंत दाखवलेली मेकॅनिझम जी स्टेप बाय स्टेप दाखवली ती परीक्षेत लिहू शकता, किंवा ह्या 3 स्टेप एकाखाली एक लिहून सुद्धा तुम्ही मेकॅनिझम दाखवू शकता. नाउ सेकंड वन, दॅट इज बेन्झॉइन कंडेन्सेशन रिॲक्शन. बेन्झॉइन अगेन नेम्ड आफ्टर द प्रोडक्ट. The benzoin condensation reaction involves the treatment of an aromatic aldehyde with aqueous alcoholic KOH or NaCN. The product is alpha hydroxy ketone, which is called as a benzoin. Make correction here. See, ह्या स्टेटमेंटमध्ये थोडं करेक्शन आहे. परत एकदा स्टेटमेंट वाचतो. द बेन्झॉइन कंडेन्सेशन इन्व्हॉल्व्स द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ एन ॲरोमॅटिक अल्डिहाइड विथ ॲक्वियस अल्कोहोलिक KCN, not KOH. Instead of this KOH there should be CN. KCN, CN, KCN, not KOH. We are not using this KOH, we are using KCN here, or NaCN. The product is alpha hydroxy ketone, which is called as a benzoin. Alpha hydroxy ketone which is obtained in this reaction is called as benzoin. Therefore, the name of this condensation reaction is benzoin condensation reaction. Then what is benzoin condensation reaction? The condensation of an aromatic aldehyde with aqueous alcoholic KCN, potassium cyanide or sodium cyanide, to give benzoin. The reaction is called as benzoin condensation reaction. Now let's see one example. Two molecules of benzaldehyde reacts with alcoholic KCN to form benzoin. This is that reaction. Benzaldehyde molecules which we are using here, and there is use of KCN, which is aqueous one, that is water. It is alcoholic one, that is ethanol, and there is formation of benzoin. This is one of the classic examples of benzoin condensation reaction. Now we'll see mechanism of benzoin condensation reaction, which involves different steps. The cyanide ion reacts readily with benzaldehyde to form carbanion. See here, this is the first step, that is formation of carbanion here. That means here cyanide ion coming from KCN, KCN पासून जो cyanide आपल्याला मिळतो, this cyanide ion is going towards this carbonyl carbon, therefore pair is going outside, therefore there is formation of such type of ion which abstracts this proton. There is formation of OH here, and there is negatively charged, that is carbanion formation is the first step in benzoin condensation reaction. This is benzaldehyde, and there is formation of carbanion A in the first step. In the second step, carbanion A reacts with another benzaldehyde molecule. Subsequent proton shift and loss of cyanide ion gives benzoin. See here, carbanion A obtained in the first step is reacting with unionized benzaldehyde. Concentrate on arrows. Here see, this is going towards this carbon, therefore this becomes negatively charged, which abstracts this proton. There is formation of OH here. That is called as a proton shift. हा proton shift आहे. याच्यामध्ये आपण याला proton shift म्हणतो. Proton is going towards oxygen, therefore it is called as proton. Initially there was O negative, now it is OH. Initially there was OH, now it is negatively charged oxygen. That is called as a proton shift. And there is loss of cyanide ion, which gives benzoin. We can summarize this mechanism like this. Cyanide reacting with benzaldehyde to form carbanion A. Carbanion A reacts with unionized benzaldehyde molecule, and there is proton shift, which gives and in the last step there is loss of cyanide ion, and there is formation of benzoin here. This is mechanism of benzoin condensation reaction. Now these are some questions which can be asked in the examination. What is aldol condensation reaction? Explain with its mechanism. What is necessary condition of aldol condensation reaction? The necessary condition of aldol condensation reaction is aldehydes or ketones which are undergoing condensation, out of two, at least one must have alpha hydrogen atom. That is necessary condition. Second one, write a short note on benzoin condensation reaction. So here friends, we have completed this topic, that is all 6 condensation reactions, 3 reduction reactions and 2 oxidation reactions. Now your first unit test is on 20/10/2020, that is 20th of October. Be ready for it. Thank you very much.